All right, guys, grab your snacks, grab your drinks. It's massive tech time.
Do this one.
Okay. All right, so we got two things here. First things first, if you checked out my recent low-tech video, you guys might know why I might want something like this. And basically, you can use that to determine the level of minerals that you have in your water. If you suffer from eczema or anything like that, you might want to look into it because that water...
I'm so sorry.
Ari's over here hacking up the lungs, is all sick.
Sorry.
And I know you guys could tell. I got a bit of a cold too, so I can't clown on her too hard. I don't even recognize your voice.
I know, they're gonna be like, that's not Ari, imposter.
AI.
AI.
All right, this is whack. You picked a weak box to start us off, Ari. These are just...
Make this one fast, babe. Don't talk too much.
Okay,
like
okay. I don't know.
What was that?
I don't know, Jay. You could do a transition of... But yeah, these are the stands we're gonna have in the Gamer's Paradise. And while these may be a little bit of a boring, massive tech unboxing product that Ari chose, I'm happy that I bought these. Gamer's Paradise, get it. All right, Jay, what do you want me to... All right, with the big boxes.
Bigger ones, can't throw it.
Come on, just wait a little bit, please. Oh, listen. FOMO is a thing. So I don't know if you guys have ever heard of the company High Ground, but they make some interesting PC accessories in collaboration with like different animes. But this one is with Naruto. So I was like, all right, I'll bite. The only other thing they got me with was of course Gundam. Right here we have a keyboard. This is sick packaging. Look at Sasuke. Sasuke's a bum. Let's see here. Okay, that's nice. So I got a Kakashi keyboard. I'm not gonna lie, this thing is kind of sick.
Yeah, it looks really good.
So they had a few different options. Kakashi was one of them.
There's Sakura. That's her name, right?
Oh yeah.
I'm trying to flex my knowledge.
So of course it comes with all the different things so that you can change your keycaps and all that. So it does have RGB.
Cool.
So if you plug this thing in, see it's got the RGB. Oh, you can see the letters. Oh, okay. And I was gonna say, I wish there was letters on these, but you can see the letters on the bottom of the keys. So that's actually really sick. And if you couldn't tell, over here we got a mouse pad. Oh no, that is Sasuke.
Oh, that's nice.
Okay, Sasuke versus Naruto. Oh man. Yeah. Anyway, I'm actually really stoked about this. Where do we put it?
Streaming setup.
Streaming setup's like 95% there, okay? We're not touching that. Also coming soon. All right, Dom, what are you gonna hit me with? All right. So, because we are working on the Gamer's Paradise, your boy had to pick up something to cover all his bases. Over here we have the Playseat Logitech G Trophy Logitech G Edition.
Really?
I mean,
that's the name?
That's what the box says.
Playseat Logitech. No, you're saying it wrong. This is the...
Teach me.
This is the branding. The brand's names. They're like logos at the top. You read Trophy Logitech G Edition. Is that Austin opens things? He just tears it apart.
So if you can't tell, this is like a seat for a racing simulator. If you've got like a racing wheel and the pedals, this is gonna be able to go on there. So I figured this has to be the one. And this looked perfect for the Gamer's Paradise. Now we're not gonna build this thing right now, but we'll let you guys see what it looks like in the current Gamer's Paradise basement, basically. New guy.
Venez, s'il vous plaît. Nous besoin. Jean's first box! All right. I'll wait till it's see. Now guys, we're gonna see if Jean is like whack or not. I'm just kidding. Ooh, all right. Nice job.
Okay. So this is the Xbox Elite Series 2. Nothing new here, but this is customized to match the streaming room. Let's see.
Can I be honest? That looks like something you have already.
All right.
Are we, did anybody else think that?
Confession. It's exactly what I had before.
Oh, surprise.
You watch yourself, okay? But I changed the pedals in the back.
Okay.
They now match up here and they match the room.
All right.
Jean, you did great. Listen.
Ladies and gentlemen, if you will, look right here.
You never saw this before, have you?
Ooh, oh my goodness.
But yeah, this thing looks absolutely amazing. It's going to work perfectly for that setup. That video is coming really soon, and I am pumped for you guys to see that.
Okay, next one.
So check it out. We got some awesome stuff from our friends over at
Colorware.
So like we've been talking about, the streaming setup is happening and we had to get the right accessories to go with it. So this right here is the Logitech G502X Plus, that Colorware seal.
Oh wow.
That's nice.
Is that a pearlized white?
It is.
That's nice.
I'll throw up my specific build so you guys can see, but we also have our streaming mic. Oh, that's tough.
Oh wow.
That's tough. And I went with like a pretty clean matte black, but of course with some teal accents. And we even have it labeled your average consumer. So you can go ahead and do that on Colorware's site. All right, so we got some stuff for the streaming setup, but we got something fun over here too.
Is that for me? Is that for me, Jeff?
It's definitely not.
Dang, I was really hoping.
Check it out. So this is part of their Illusion lineup where they have like a paint that changes color depending on how you're looking at it. So this is their sunset version. It's sunset gloss and oof.
Oh my goodness, that looks so nice. Can I have it, please?
Dang. Oh, you jealous now.
I am. Now I am.
Oh, snap.
Those are nice.
Nah, these are sick. Don't look at me with that face like, no. You really want it?
Yeah.
All right, I'll give you the link. So,
wow.
but yeah, they have a few different color options for their Illusion lineup and this is nice. I'm excited though, because this is the Glow 2.0 from Nomad. Listen, Nomad dropped this crazy Apple Watch band. It was the Glow 1.0. I completely missed it, but they dropped their newest one. This is 2.0, and now they've got a case to go with it. You already know, your boy is a giant kid, and I like glow in the dark stuff.
Yeah, you sound
And
like a 4-year-old.
Austin's gonna love this, is what I was going to say. So, you know, it's a green case. Not usually my go-to. I'm not like a big green guy, but for glow in the dark, I will be.
See, I thought it was gonna look more on the white side.
I think the original glow was more on the white side and then it you know, glowed in the dark. But I think that with this, the glow is going to be a lot more prominent.
Well, you'll definitely be able to find your phone at night.
Yeah. Okay. Now you know what we have to do, right? Bathe it in the light. Guys looking at me like I'm crazy. All right, that's long enough. It's dusty up there, y'all. Oh, get out of here.
Wow.
That is nuts. And
It looks like one of those like glow
lights on.
sticks.
Yeah, this is what? Yeah, I'm never taking these off. I just gotta have a green case now, that's all. This is amazing. Thank you.
Welcome.
We actually picked this up from the Razer store and we got the new Razer Firefly V2 Pro.
This is a Razer store?
Yeah, they got like a full-on store. It's in the mall. But yeah, guys, so they've got full-on dedicated RGB. Usually with RGB mouse pads, you'll just have it around the rim of the mouse pad. But now they're like, you know, we're Razer, we'll go all in with the RGB, so the entire thing gets lit up now.
I wanna see the white one first.
White one?
Yeah.
Sure.
I'm underwhelmed.
Are you really?
Yes, because the box has all of it. The whole
Well,
thing lit up going crazy.
Okay, I see. We have to go downstairs. There we go.
That's better. Yeah, I like that. I'm feeling it. See, we'll always be honest with you guys, because I wasn't feeling it before.
Oh, this is dope.
Looks like you're floating on the RGB.
Yeah, right? I'm gaming on a rainbow.
Can I feel a mouse, by the way? Because in the video, you were like so impressed.
It's so
Really?
light. All right,
Is it really? Oh my God.
Uh-huh.
I did not anticipate that. It
Yeah.
feels like absolutely nothing.
I know. And we brought down the black one too. That thing looks even better since you can see the colors more on black, but they're both fire.
They're fire and they're fly.
It works.
Another Razer.
No? I didn't buy another Razer mouse. All right, I bought the Razer mouse because I wanted to match the box.
What? Advertising does matter.
All right, we're not gonna do a whole thing here because we unboxed the Basilisk V3 Pro before, but it's a clean looking mouse.
No, it is clean.
Ooh, Jay, you might break it. There's tech in here, man. All right, so this is a cool little lamp that I saw on Amazon.
Oh, wow.
Oh, so the idea here is...
Why?
Oh.
That looked different from the video.
Wait, hold up, hold
Why
up.
is this doing this?
Hold on.
It looks pathetic right now.
Ah,
Oh, okay.
Okay. It did look a little pathetic, but
Up and around like spaghetti.
boom, that is super dope. So it is not connected to anything up there. It is using magnets to take the metal ball at the end of the LED and hold it straight up.
It's pretty nice. Matches your office aesthetic.
It definitely does. So,
You're gonna take it.
oh, Jay's like, Chet, this
Everything is in your office.
Right, come on. Let's
come shoot in my office,
Let them
guys.
have it.
So there are settings. So you can do one for low, for bright, and then this breathing effect. What's nice is that it is rechargeable, so you don't have to have this thing plugged in. But yeah, it does come with a USB, travel pouch, and a microfiber cloth. All right, over here, this feels whack.
I don't know, it's your stuff, man.
Oh, no, hold on. I've recently picked up some SSD enclosures. I'm not sure which one I'm gonna ultimately go with. We have one from Satoshi over here and one from UGreen. So these should support Thunderbolt, so we should get really fast speeds. I should have an SSD here somewhere. So check it out. This is the kind of SSD that goes inside of these guys. Now, you can't just put something like this into your Mac. You could put it into your PC, but if you want it to be external storage, you'll need one of these guys. Now these I went for in particular because they support Thunderbolt, and on Macs that'll give you really fast speeds. So I'm looking to see which one of these is gonna be better for me. So this is going to be a lot safer and better than like your typical external hard drive that's like a mechanical drive, because those are slower and you breathe on those things the wrong way and they break. So over here we have the Alumu package. I just like that, I grabbed it like that. So this is their new Apple Watch band. Let's try it out. What happened?
The case is sold out. We just got an email. The glow cases, they're sold out already.
Are they really?
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Update, people.
So in the middle of shooting this video, there are no longer any more Glow 2.0 cases.
But apparently they're resellers on eBay, so
Don't buy it from them.
for double the price.
That's
Jesus,
crazy.
that's-
But all right, so here we have the Apple Watch band. Now check it out. This does have an interesting little feature where you can pop this open and you can just take it right off. So you don't have to do the big latch over here.
That's nice.
And if you want to match your Apple Watch Ultra, they also have it in like this titanium finish. All right, so I don't know what this is. There's a bunch of boxes in here though. It's a dock for the Razer mouse.
Oh
We're not
my
talking
God.
about it.
Although, do you remember when our unboxing used to be like all Razer stuff?
Razer. This is the Razer. So this is a Razer backpack. Oh, these are those inexpensive speakers. Now, I gotta test this out to see how good it sounds. I hope to put this thing in our bedroom setup, also coming soon. A couple quick things I like about it. It has the knobs to adjust your bass and treble and overall volume built right into the speakers, so I think that's dope. All right, so over here we have, ooh, this.
I wonder what it is.
Listen, can we not do spoilers? Can I tell them myself?
This is where they click off the video.
Please don't leave. So what we've got right here, guys, is the pinnacle of technology. This is an automatic paper towel dispenser.
Like what you see in public bathrooms.
Oh, dang. You really ruined that for me. But you can have it in your house. So basically you just go like that, you leave some towel hanging out of the dispenser. It supports 4D batteries, but we don't have that on us right now. We'll just plug it in. Okay. Oh, you see that? It just sucked up the paper towel. I'll take this. There we go.
See?
Adjusted.
That I can get with. For you old people out there like us.
The pinnacle of technology over here.
That's cool.
Would you put it in the house?
No. Could you imagine the kids? They would just play with it the whole time.
Awesome. I need a tissue.
Yeah, it would just always
We
be
hear
a
that
tissue.
all day.
Imagine changing that thing. We barely would like to change the really
It
easy
literally takes 2 seconds. I didn't do anything special. All you do is,
one. Yet you still struggle to replace our paper towel holder.
our paper towel holder
It's
is
easy.
far more complicated to put down
No, you
than
just
that.
pop it.
But all right, that about wraps it up.
Really?
Yeah,
Thank you. Aw.
peace.
Love you. You made me wait the whole video for this. Yes.